shoulder.
What's on my shoulder? It's a
Frog.
It's a frog. What color is the frog?
Blue.
Blue. How many blue frogs do you have? You count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, you only have 2 frogs. 2 blue frogs. Where are your other frogs?
Yun.
Where?
It's a frog.
Where? Get your other frogs, the other colors. What other colors of frogs do you have?
Orange.
Orange? Only orange? What else?
Only yellow.
Only yellow. Oh, where are the others?
You know.
Oh, you know. Oh, where? You show me. You show me where? Where? Oh,
You know.
Oh, you count. You count how many orange?
1,
1. And then
2.
2. How about yellow? 1,
2,
2. How about blue?
1, 2, 4,
How many frogs do you have?
5, 2,
Oh, you count again from the start. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Very good.